Yeah, today I am going to unbox the Apple iPad 9.7 cover which was brought from Amazon. So actually this cost is 499 rupees I think. So see here, actually the product name is Amazon seller product. It was delivered through Blue Dot. So let us do unboxing. Actually the package is very ugly, so I didn't expect this type of packaging from Amazon. Actually I think this seller may be fraud seller because their packing is very ugly. So if anything damage is there, who will responsible for that? So let us do unboxing. Let us cut carefully without cutting that iPad cover. Okay, just they have folded that polythene cover. That's nothing they have made. See, keep it there. This is the robustrion iPad 9.7 flip cover. This is a trifold cover. So here they have given opening. So I think not this also. I have to cut this one. Yes, we have to cut this also to open it. So just cut it. This scissor was not sharp, I think. That's why it's taking time to open it. See. Yeah, see, maybe that side. This is the iPad. See, iPad Air 9.7 new. But I ordered for the iPad 9.7 5th generation. So let us see whether it is suitable for that one or not. See, remove it. This is the Trifold iPad cover. See this. Quality is okay, but not. So anyhow, the quality is okay, but color is not at all that good. It is a golden color. So everything fine cut according to that the tab model, that is 9.7 inches. Let us see whether it will fit for the device or not. This is the iPad 9.7. Let us see whether it will be fitable or not. Yeah, it is perfectly setted. See, this is perfectly setted. So see these sides also. See this side and this side and this side. This cover is very nice. It is perfectly fitted for this iPad 9.7 inch. So you will trifold. I think trifold means like this. Like this. Yes, like this it will fold it. See, like this you have to fold, trifold. Okay. So the quality is also very good. See, this side you will get some the leather type texture. So this is worthy, price worthy, but packaging is not good. So like this I will upload a lot more videos about the technology. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. To get the notifications of newly uploaded videos, click on the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.